Let's make some dal and puri. Take a nice clean pot. This is 1.5 cup of red lentil or masoor ki dal, soaked for about 30 to 40 minutes. So you wash your dal about 3 to 4 times or 5 times until the water runs clear. 1 sliced onion, 2 tomatoes and 5 to 6 cloves of garlic. A teaspoon of paprika or red chili powder, a teaspoon of coriander powder, a teaspoon of cumin powder, half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Add water. Give it a good mix. Now I'm gonna cook this for about 30 minutes on medium heat. I've taken about 2 cups of plain all-purpose flour, a teaspoon and a half of baking powder. So that was a teaspoon and this is half teaspoon more. Teaspoon of salt, 3 tablespoons of oil, or you can use ghee as well. Mix everything. Then gradually add warm water and knead a soft dough. Drizzle some oil on it. Cover it and let it rest for 15 to 20 minutes. Once the dal is almost cooked, mash the garlic and onions and tomatoes in the dal. This is how the dal looks once everything is mixed and mashed. I've added some whole red chilies into it as well. Add salt according to your taste. Put some oil in a pan. Add some cumin seeds, green chilies, ginger and garlic, kasuri methi and paprika. Fry this for about a few seconds only. Add the bagar to the dal. Once the dough has rested, just knead it a little bit to make it smooth. Dust some plain flour on your work surface. Take the dough. So I'm gonna divide it into small portions. Now just roll out small puris. Just like that. Heat up some oil really well and fry the puris in it.